we should expert in academic writing, of course, and but grammar we should know about that. And then the preparation we want to go over and reach the scholarship is our networking. This means that organization and experiences from our senior, maybe we should ask, we should know, we should have a good relationship with them, because they have a lot of knowledge about the scholarship. This is one of important thing also. And then the one of requirement of scholarship is IELTS or TOEFL test, I think. This means that this one of requirement. When we go abroad, we should to pass that test, and the test is be one of important thing. I think we should pass with that test. Based on our knowledge, we should have more knowledge about the test. We should have a lot of advice from our environment, I think. And then that's enough.
That's it?
Yes.
Alright, thank you. Alright, any questions? Yeah, very awesome. Unaya University, right? Department, very awesome. Alright, any questions? Alright, no more questions. Because almost time is running out. So I want to, to conclude our discussion little by little about that. Alright, after listening that for my senior here, Mr. Sahar, say it's very important for us, many scholarship in this universe, in this world nowadays. So we must study hard English first. After that, we must pass about couple tasks. After that, IELTS is very important. And that what's the name? I forgot the name. Faturami, right? Alright, so how do we say, if we cannot speak English, we cannot, apply something. You know why? Because, speak English very totally important nowadays. Because when you go abroad, for example, people don't speak Bahasa. Just people speak English. For example, China, Asia, and Malaysia, Singapore, they speak English. They won't speak Bahasa. But when you go abroad like Malaysia, they still use Malay language. Andre said when